is going on, guys? Welcome back to Rub My Crypto. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day today. We're going to talk about Jasmy. So we're going to look at Jasmy charts. We're going to talk about Jasmy, what to do, and we're going to talk about Jasmy as far as investing for the future of Jasmy. So make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. Make sure you guys watch all the way through to the end, because we're going to talk about Jasmy in depth, and there's some things that you may miss if you don't watch all the way through to the end. And then, of course, guys, this is not financial advice. This is just some education to get you knowledgeable behind Jasmy and your investment. And I really want to make sure you feel confident investing in Jasmy, guys. So let's try to get it done in 10 minutes or less. Let's go. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump into these charts, see what Jasmy's been doing over the past couple days. I know a lot of people are getting scared, getting nervous. Is Jasmy going to go down? Well, let's take a look and let's try to see if we could figure that out. All right, guys, so let's take a look at Jasmy on the daily chart. So as we can see, Jasmy's really starting to go into that consolidation area. And I just see, that's something I pointed out, quite some time in my other videos, is that this is very healthy again for Jasmy, guys. You have to understand, we can't continuously go up and up and up and up. I mean, if it was a perfect world and we wanted instant gratification, we would see Jasmy go up into those levels of 30 cents, 50 cents, $1 with a straight shot. But we know realistically, that's not going to happen. We can't expect Jasmy to go from 0.005 to $1. It's just not possible. So that's okay though. This is a long-term game. This is like, this is the name of the investing game. So you have to understand that with rocket ship candles going up, there has to be some sort of pullback. Now I believe, based on the way the markets look, we're going to stay into, a nice consolidation area. One of the things that is important to understand is what Bitcoin's doing right now. So looking at Bitcoin is the driver of the market. So if I wanted to paint a picture to help you understand, is, when Bitcoin tends to go up, everything else down below stays at a standstill or a consolidation. So what do you do when Bitcoin is going in this uptrend, like in regards to your investment? So this is Bitcoin on the daily. So it continuously starts to print green candles. That means that the market's going to consolidate those coins that already have pumped with Bitcoin and Ethereum. So here's the deal. My best advice to give you guys is, while Bitcoin is going in this direction, it's time to start buying in this zone. Continue dollar cost averaging as these dips are coming. So if you watch the market, you could always go to like the 4-hour charts and watch the charts. Like, this is what I did last night. I got into a trade with AMP at around 6:30 p.m. yesterday. And we literally, I was on my computer watching this trade, got in at very early level, and I watched this trade literally, no lie, from 8 or 9. Was it 9? I don't know. So I started the trade at like 6. Then I think I jumped on and did a live, and then I came back to it and I was watching the chart go all the way to about 4 in the morning. So you got to watch the charts if you're investing. It was a good run though. I made some decent amount of money. A great trade. But anyway, so Jasmy, this is areas that you can watch, so when you see things like this, you see the Jasmy go up and start to pull back. This is where you could buy, and then watch it, buy. You're buying at these lower levels and continuously accumulate in these areas. And that's if you're doing some trading. But generally, this is areas to DCA. It's like DCA, right? So you'll follow. Let me draw out a little path for you so you guys could understand. I really just I didn't want to get anybody confused with all the whole, trading stuff and that. But this is what I would do, in this area right here. I would buy DCA, and then obviously watch the markets. And then, you see stuff like this, and then you get into that same pattern again. This is like DCA. Now, where we're at on this right here, we could either go this way and retest this area right here at the one, I think it's like 1.4, or we could go up from here. So these are the things you got to look out for when investing in cryptocurrency projects. Like, this is a time to start accumulating. I don't think that honestly we're going to go down too far, but if we do come back down and retest this level of 15015 is the level. I think I went a little too far, so don't get all scared. I think this is the level that Jasmy will try to come down to, if that's the case. But that's just a hypothetical thinking. So if we manage to break up out of this, which seems like we are, it looks like we're tapping out of there. So hopefully we could get through there, break through that. We don't want that to be too much of a hassle to get out of. But from what I can see, it looks good. Now, here's the thing. So what's going to happen? So when do we, plan on seeing Jasmy break out of this level? And in my opinion, it's going to be when Bitcoin naturally starts to pull back. So when we start to see Bitcoin pull back and lose some of that gas, that's when you're going to see Ethereum and all the other altcoins start to pump in a massive way. But with Bitcoin getting to these levels, I really strongly believe that this altcoin season is going to be super ridiculous. I think that we're going to see major money come in. So I started filling up more of my altcoin bags like HBAR, Celestia. Let me just pull it up real quick, because I just got this feeling that we're going to see some movement. So I actually doubled down on HBAR, Internet Computer, Matic, Cardano, and Illuvium. So doubled down on those last night because I feel like those are still set to blow out. XRP, I doubled down on that the other day. So, for Jasmy, continue putting bags in there. I said I wasn't going to continue adding to Jasmy, but I changed my mind. So I added another $1,000 to my portfolio for Jasmy. So I'm really hoping to see Jasmy do some major things coming up soon. So with that being said, the best thing to do is really look at Jasmy as far as continuously dollar cost averaging as we're in these consolidation levels. Even if it starts to dip down a little bit, I think that's perfect buying opportunity to start accumulating more and more Jasmy to build your portfolio. Because honestly, guys, with Bitcoin putting out these massive numbers, we're going to see a crazy altcoin rally, especially when people start to liquidate out of Bitcoin and then that money starts to flow into altcoins and Ethereum and so on and so forth. I think there's going to be some major money. Not only that, if you have the Ethereum ETF coming out, it's going to really induce a lot of money into the markets. And I believe all the altcoins and low cap coins are going to see major moves coming from that flow of money. So I'm really super bullish on Jasmy as far as seeing Jasmy reach these insane levels. I can't wait to see Jasmy break out and start looking at those 5 to 7 cents. I think 6 cents is going to be our next area up. And I do believe it's going to happen rather quickly here because, if Bitcoin stays where it's at and starts to come down, then we're going to see the money flow pretty quickly into altcoins and stuff like that. But if Bitcoin continues to go to 90,000, if we could see Bitcoin reach 90,000, definitely I'm going to be bagging up big time on a lot of I thought I was done, but just seeing the performance on Bitcoin is really motivating me to continue dollar cost averaging into these altcoin plays and some of these meme coins. Some of these meme coins I think are going to go super crazy. Like I just, there's a lot of opportunity that I foresee, and this is just my opinion. I foresee this is going to be a super cycle. I'll challenge anybody to that says different, because there is so much money that's already induced into the cryptocurrency market based on just Bitcoin ETFs alone. And if we correlate that with Ethereum ETFs, and that starts to go through, and then you get so much scarcity behind Bitcoin with the Bitcoin halving, I'm a little bit nervous about how much money is going to come into this market. But do understand, Bitcoin is going to run out of gas. It's a fact. There's just no way around it. Bitcoin is going to run out of gas. We're going to get altcoins in and then meme coins going. So right now is the perfect opportunity for you to bag up on Jasmy, bag up on your altcoins, and bag up on meme coins, because this market is going to be something very different than every other market that I've ever seen in my life. So and this is going back historical data, looking at all that. This is going to be huge, guys. So make sure you guys are bagged up on your Jasmy. Stay focused, guys. Stay vigilant. Look at your projects. Make sure you guys are taking profits. Don't go through this bull market without at least taking some of them profits, because you may not have that opportunity again. So take those profits. That's why I say bag up now, because we're going to see these things blow. Like last night, looking at AMP, how it just took off like a rocket. There was a level where it was at 200, almost 300% up, and I took profits at that level and then bought back in down when it pulled back significantly, and then it pumped up again, and I actually was able to almost 1.75 my money just in a matter of like 15 minutes. So it's crazy. That those are the type of moves that you got to be able to make in this game. So stay vigilant, guys. Make sure you guys do your own research. Make sure you guys continue pressing yourself to get more knowledge in this crypto space. So all right, guys, that's all I got. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. See you guys on the next one.